We're really live? Okay, hey guys, it's Keely Live. Not on a Tuesday, on a Monday. Like I said in my video last week, I leave in the morning, before the roosters get up to go to Mexico. So I didn't want to leave you guys hanging for 2 weeks. So we're kind of shifting our schedule slightly. So I thought I'd do live today when Lori got here. So hi everybody. And then when I get back, because I won't be here next Tuesday, I'll be back Wednesday. So the day after, next Wednesday, at noon, you'll see me again. But in the meantime, we've had too much going on to not have videos for 2 weeks. First of all, something exciting came in the mail today. We have some new samples that Shirley, hi Shirley, just finished. These you might look somewhat familiar because earlier in the fall, we had a wonderful trunk show from Church Mouse Studios with Rowan Yarns, and we love them so much. We're like, we need those all the time in this store. So this is the Color Play scarf. It is so pretty. It's done with double strands of kid silk, and as you can see, you kind of blend them all together. There's so many colors, like with 81 colors, the possibilities are limited. Unlimited, it seems like. So that's beautiful. This is the 2-point cowl. Another great piece done with brush fleece. Just takes a couple skeins. I think it's like 3, maybe 4, but really pretty, nice little accent piece. And I am wearing, I don't know if it goes with what I'm wearing today. I just threw it on. This is the easy folded poncho done with fine tweed haze. See, turned out really nice, didn't it? I think so too. Lori thinks, I just happen to wear a gray shirt, so I don't look quite so ridiculous at it, but I thought I'd throw that on. Okay, more stuff. Lori's going to follow me around. Over here, yeah, right here. This is cotton merino. I talked about it. Here, come over here so you can see the colors. We talked about this, I think, last week because we had like 4 colors in. Well, now we have more colors in. So you can see we're still missing some. There's going to be a purple, a pink, I think a black. This is darker than this, but it's just really a pretty yarn. So it's starting to come in. And I'm going to just grab one of these hat kits. Hold on just a second. Okay. Hi, we're making a video real quick. Just ignore us. I'm going to sneak over here and get this. All right. It's a little crazy in here today on a Monday. This is something new from Kelbourne Woolens, and it's exciting. They're doing a year of DK hats. And so every month they're going to release a new hat pattern. And if ones to follow are as great as this one, it's going to be a really fun year to make hats. This is the Callisto hat. It's really pretty. So a picture on the back there, look. You might have seen our social media or in our newsletter. It has big X and O cables. This is knit with Germantown DK. We did all our kits in the color just like the hat because it was just simple. It comes with a hat tag, stitch markers, tapestry needle, and there's a card in here for a pattern. These are only like $24, and you will learn so much. This has not just the cables, has a tubular cast-on chart, so it's a good time to kind of, it's a hat, something small, one skein. Try to, some new skills. And we're always here, we can help you with it. Just let us know. And so every month there'll be a new one. If this isn't your color or this yarn isn't for you, we have 1 million DK yarns, and the pattern I think is free. So we can always hook you up with something different. But it's nice to get the kit because you get all the garb. And I think the little hat tag is super cute. Yeah, they have their little custom hat tag. So if it were me, I'd just get the kit, make this one, and make another one for me in the color I like. Gift this one. Someone will like it if you don't. Okay. That's what's all happened. I don't know what's going to happen while I'm gone. I've got all sorts of stuff coming in. I've got all these notes for Jeannie. I think Jeannie and Lori have got everything well in hand. They're really good at me being gone. So, yeah, I'll be back, hopefully rested and tan when I see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.